Good, Jordan's little single cab out here. It's so cute. Woo! So what do you got going on here, Jordan?
Just got me a 2011 Duramax LML shortened. Did EGR delete because who needs that shit?
Nobody needs it.
And then did head studs. Did a CP 310 mil. And did a Ryan's Diesel Services 68 VGT turbo.
Nice. How's that working out for you?
It's doing pretty good. Fuel mileage is better. I haven't done a quarter mile yet, but we're hopefully we'll be in the 11s.
Nice. Get it down into the 11s. Sweet. How's it running at elevation up here?
Oh, good. It rolls more coal now.
A lot more smoke.
Yeah. Takes a while for that turbo to light up coming up over Donner, but other than that, it's fine. It's pretty nice.
This thing's badass, man.
How much do you think it weighs?
I weighed it before I did all of this. It was 6520, and I haven't weighed it since. So maybe I'll be 6'4".
Yeah, knock off a couple of pounds.
Yeah.
Nice.
I took the hitch receiver off and the bumper off, so I got a roll pan now, so that should help with some weight. And I got the center link as well, and DMAX store tie rods. I think that's
Whose tunes you running?
I got Danville.
Danville tunes?
And I got a trans by Mike Creech.
There you go.
So
Nice. Sounds like a good setup you got here.
yeah, it moves.
Show me your numbers.
Right here, this is the time right here.
Oh, the one on top.
12.4 right there. 12.408.
Damn.
How fast was it? 107 miles an hour right there.
Damn. 0.62.
Almost
You were
108.
sleeping, man.
Oh, I didn't care.
You were asleep.
Oh,
it's break the greens.
That was a testing tune.
Oh,
Truck
okay.
Mania.
Damn.
So I didn't care. I wanted to be spooled perfect.
Yeah, get it right.
The air was beautiful that night, and that's what happened. I hit a 12.4, then after that, I didn't hit a 12.4 again. The truck started getting cold.
Yeah. Four-wheel burnouts, Jordan?
Yeah, we're going to try to do a four-wheel drive burnout.
Is that a Dyson Uniball vacuum?
Yeah.
Nice.
This is still got for Christmas.
I dig the little, is this the 1500 wing?
Yeah.
I actually like that. That's cool.
He's down for us. You know,
Yeah.
I gotta keep up with Street Outlaws.
Ready if you are. All right, we're gonna get out of here. Good seeing you.
All right.
Yeah, you too, buddy.
See you later.
Have a good
Appreciate
rest
it.
of your day, you guys.
Yeah, you too.
See ya.
See you in January.
Yes, you will. So I don't know if I show you guys yet. My dad went out and got himself a new RZR. It's pretty legit. It's got the old telescopic steering wheel. Drops down and whatnot. Pretty bright lights. I think the coolest thing about this RZR is that you can find yourself on the map here on your GPS. And anybody with the ride command setup with this navigation setup in their RZR Turbo S or their RZR Pro XP, you can actually see them on the map. So if you're to lose somebody, you can find them pretty quick. So we went and got the new fuel tank today. Not really new, but it came out of a really low mile truck. Little bit of some weak metal here. Been leaking for a couple years, and I always thought there would be something up here in the sending unit, but of course I start tearing it apart, and I'm like, oh, with my luck, there's gonna be a hole in the bottom of this, and sure as hell. Oh,
You don't want these.
we could have used those, Ryan.
You like to get these flat and flush. That's good. That's where we want them. Right about. Hold on, a little more. Nice.
So Brandon, you're out there, you did the dual pump setup on your truck, and you don't remember how to do gear lash. This is how I learned. You just give her a good old. My fuel,
This came out of that.
pulled the fuel out of this tank yesterday. Pretty good shape. And then, oh my god. Look at that. It's straight. So we found this light last night underneath my truck after being there for like, what, almost 2 years. And tried Trying to see if it'll start, turn on. Of course not. You wanna know what happens to lights that don't turn on, Ryan?
Wow. Right now.
You think it'll work?
Nothing.
Maybe if I jump those two connections from there to there. See, I really don't know what I'm doing right now. I just feel like this is the right thing to do.
I don't think so.
I don't think so either. Not bad.
All right, John. How good is your warranty?
Yeah. Like 5'10". Not that short, but when it comes to like lifting trucks, you just hit it with the.
What?
Bye-bye.